if you're working in another way without any sort of event management software, as I've done in other places, that's a headache in trying to control all that information, right? You might have an Excel document to use for your calendar. You might have Outlook that you're using and separating into rooms. You might have an Excel document that you use for your event orders. You're going to have all of your contracts and your invoices in all these random folders everywhere, and everything is going to slip through. So if you're not using one, you need to use one such as this. If you're using another one, I highly recommend this one. It's I've been on other platforms, and the things you were able to do, the ease you're able to do it in, the fact that you're not bogged down with an app on your phone or anything. It's right there. It's made to go mobile when it needs to go mobile. Just do it, because you're wasting resources and team time by doing it in any other way.